Today, we are going to be talking about how to manage marketing automation inside the CRM Anywhere. CRM Anywhere also runs standalone, and it also has ready-made Sage integration. Now let's start with the dashboard. In here, you can see all your KPIs, key performance indicators in a colorful visual environment. As you can see, we can see a total opportunity status, our opportunity value, conversion rates. We can see all our funnels with their stage distribution. Below that, we can see all our tasks. And lastly, we can also see our lead source report, which breaks down the origin of leads. So here you can create and manage workflows that streamline your marketing communication with your clients and prospects. As you can see, we already have existing workflows, but for this example, we're going to be going with this one. So let's click on it. By clicking on here, this workflow combines appointment confirmations, reminders, surveys, and review requests into a single streamlined process. It's still in the job stage, meaning it's ready for you to finalize and activate. Adding a new trigger is simple. We can simply click on the Add New Trigger, and as you can see on the right, we have a bunch of triggers, like we have contacts, triggers for contacts, events, appointments, opportunities, and affiliates, and so forth. As you can see, we have a bunch. If I want to, for example, add a contact change trigger, so I can simply click on that. I'm going to be choosing the workflow trigger contact change, and trigger name, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And when I hit on save trigger, as you can see in here, I did a second trigger called contact change. I also have an option to change between triggers. As you can see, there are like small plus buttons here. When I click on it, I can put actions between two triggers. In order to do that again, when we click on it, we can see all of our actions. So we have like for contacts, communication, for internal tools, for appointments and so forth, right? So for example, I want to do a create contact between contact change and confirmation email, or let's do it find contact. After that, we're going to be choosing the action name. I'm going to leave it as it is. And when I save the action, that will update my trigger, as you can see here. As you can see, I add a new new action between these two triggers. And it's that simple. Now let's go back. All right, that sums up the whole overview of the CRM Anywhere software. Thank you.